Most businesses are wasting thousands on PPC and they don't even realize it. Why? Because they think outsourcing PPC is as simple as hiring an agency and letting them handle it. But that's a guaranteed way to burn cash. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm the digital avatar of Kasra Dash. While he's busy helping clients generate more leads and scaling businesses, I'm here to share insights from video scripts he has personally created. Kasra researches, writes, and fine-tunes every strategy, so you're getting expert-driven advice straight from the source. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Kasra personally reads and responds to each one. Here's the harsh truth. Most agencies don't care about your ROI. They care about their retainer. You give them money, they spend it on ads, you get some clicks, but where are the leads? Where's the actual profit? And the worst part, if you don't know how to properly outsource PPC, you won't even know whether they're doing a great job or just burning through your budget. Outsourcing PPC isn't just about finding a good agency, it's about ensuring they operate with your business goals in mind. Here's where most business owners go wrong. They outsource PPC without knowing the core KPIs that actually drive profit. They expect agencies to magically understand their business without giving them the right insights. They don't audit performance regularly, so they have no clue if their campaigns are actually working. If you've done any of these, don't worry, most people do, but here's how to fix it. Step 1, define your KPIs. First, before you even think about outsourcing, you need to define success. More leads, higher conversion rates, lower cost per acquisition. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Step 2, never hand over full control. Outsourcing PPC doesn't mean walking away. You need access to the ad accounts, dashboards, and raw data. If an agency won't give you full transparency, run. Step 3, demand a testing framework PPC isn't set and forget. You need a strategy that continuously tests different creatives, audiences, and landing pages. If your agency isn't testing, they're guessing. Step 4, review performance weekly, every week. Get a breakdown of key metrics, click-through rates, cost per lead, conversion rates. Compare them against your KPIs. If something's off, you need to pivot fast. Step 5, focus on lead quality, not just clicks. A common scam, agencies bragging about high click-through rates, but clicks don't pay the bills, customers do. You need to track leads all the way to actual sales. Outsourcing PPC isn't about handing over responsibility, it's about strategic delegation. The right agency with the right structure can skyrocket your lead generation. The wrong one, it'll drain your marketing budget faster than you can blink. And if you want high quality exclusive leads where you only pay on conversion, head over to fatrank.com and fill in the contact form. But be warned, we don't work with everyone. You need to qualify first. Now, let me know in the comments. Have you outsourced PPC before? What was your experience like?